出完 event， out 咗嘅。啱啱出完 event， 而家媽咪接咗我。Hi 媽咪 ，Hello。而家我哋就去大角咀去睇窩窩啦又，係咯，因為我哋想領養翻2隻窩窩，咁就去到先再 vlog 啦。爭啊！呢個 Foxy， 呢個咧 Carmina 抱住呢個係 Ginger， 好乖噶，好滑捋捋嘅 Ginger。跟住嗰個咧就係 Amber，Amber 而家突然之間好有精力。係咪啊？係咪啊？OK 嘅，佢哋好錫狗嘅。應該打佢。
She's like, I don't want to. Leave me alone.
Cole's being nice.
Yeah. I think because he can tell she's a baby. But she's not like, nope.
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 Oh my god, the tiny versions of this.
Oh. Ginger. Wait. Come on, baby. No, I'm Bea. Nope.
Wait, those are not toys.
Come back.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. I love this piece of fabric.
Apparently this is a pear, but it's a nipple.
Hi.
This is a Santa bonbon.
Where's the hair inside? Not mine. Lush hair.
Biodegradable hair.
I mean, oh, shoot.
Why is there like a highlighter?
Roll argan. Oh, I like this. Body conditioner. No.
Is this gonna stain your body?
We'll find
I'm
out.
so confused. Like what?
Oh, shower gel. I love the shower.
Oh, I saw them using this. You do it in the bathtub.
Oh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, look, my mom made this. Look, beauty guru hands. Oh, look, Nick Ma. Nick Ma 整嘅呢個係 Rudolph jelly face mask. Ooh.
但呢個你擺出嚟佢會用。
Oh, look at this. Ooh, it's a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a big.
What's this?
Big,
Pineapple?
It's a. I've been spending my whole life with different
Wait,
things.
this.
I was a party talking or the chocolate fondue, but with
Wow, this is very
pinks.
like a candy flavor. Ooh. So this is lemon. This is, I don't know what this is. Probably like a,
What is
I don't
this?
know. It looks like cabbage curry. This is candy.
That's definitely a pineapple. And this one is, you know, in case I'm hitting the club and I'm scared that my girls can't find me, I'm gonna shower with this. I'm gonna glow in the black.
What's this? Where's the blue
Jinx!
tag?
Jinx again. Oh!
Oh my
Thanks.
god.
Thanks for the blue tag, Lush. So where do I put all this white stuff?
You just let Cola sleep in it. This was packed by a Shih Tzu's team. Oh, bath bombs! Bath bombs!
What? I love that bomb!
Oh wow, okay. There's this
Look.
Guardian of the... Oh, I like this. Minty.
Guardian of the Galaxy.
Forest. Oh, here.
Hey, don't lick that. Oh, sorry. Ginger.
Body conditioner. And then there's like a... Oh no,
it's
it's Santa.
Hat.
Oh, that's another Santa.
Santa baby, nope, baby, no. Baby, oh, I love you. Ew, ugly. You want one of the Santas? Yeah.
Yes.
I am. Wait. Oh, this smells so good. What's it say? It's like, so cute. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you do this thing. I'll keep on doing this thing.
Oh, how do we make this into a dog house? Like a bed.
Or is it this?
Shower jelly.
Okay, you read it.
Oh, so cute.
Under the spotlight, there's a little bit of
Oh wow. So it's not actually a bed, so we're meant to sit in it. And then Cola's meant to pull us around.
Oh! Assemble pieces on the box with glue tag, so it's meant for us. I thought they accidentally dropped it in. Tie the rope on the side of the box and you will feel Guy Santa's sleigh this year. Unfortunately, no. I refuse. Take out products, let your meowing party hide.
Cola! No shouting. Do we have to melt it?
You want to be in here? I am
You know we're still recording, right?
Oh, sorry. Bye, guys.
Oh.
Bye.